Okay, we're trying to put this combine back together. I forgot to take a video on how to put that kit in there. To get that kit, order that kit, you take this off, this fitting up here. If you look down inside that hole, there is a snap ring in there. You pry that over a little bit and this rod will come right out. There's two pieces in there. We did have kind of a difficult time getting those out. Would have been a long video. Anyhow, this pin here, I put it in the opposite direction so I get to that cotter pin that holds it in there easier. And that one's in the same way. Hopefully I can remember which direction that hose was routed. I think it was there. Again, 11/16 end wrench. And this is called, some people call it a flare. It's also called a JIC fitting. JI Case Company is the one that came up with that fitting. That's why it's called JIC. And you could hook up the hose later. Now it doesn't matter. Again, old Montgomery Ward end wrench here. Get that tight. Push that shaft back on, or that arm, maybe. That does not want to budge. And I can't get a good hit on that either. There we go. Got that back on. Now the issue might be remembering where everything goes. I feel like that hose is supposed to go on the other side of that arm. That's something, if we decide it's supposed to go somewhere else later, we can always do that. And that's not lining up. We'll be back here in a little bit once we figure it out.